In this video, I'm in Antigua, Guatemala, walking the streets to see what interesting things I can find along the way. Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, and this is Antigua, Guatemala. I'm currently on a city bus in Guatemala City, heading to the downtown area so I can catch another bus that'll then take me to the city of Antigua. So this is inside a real working bus going to the city. It costs 5 catales, which is equivalent to about 75 cents in the US. No air condition, no handles. They even got this turnstile here when you enter, you turn around in. So a very affordable way to travel around in Guatemala City on these little buses. And the center of town, walking around or taking a bus through Guatemala City. I'm on the 84 bus. This bus will take you around the airport and into the center of town. Very affordable. Nice little roundabout they have here. Antigua is 39 kilometers from the capital of Guatemala, Guatemala City. Chicken bus to Antigua. This is what it looks like. It's very affordable. It's only 20 quintales of their money, which is equivalent to a little less than $3. This bus driver is putting a pedal to the metal right now, trying to get us to Antigua. Traffic hasn't fully bogged down yet. He's flying. This bus you can catch at Turbo, the center of town. The bus boys here show no fear. This guy's not even holding on onto the handle, hanging out the door while talking on the phone. Look at that. One slip of a bump and he's out the door he goes. This is Antigua, right near the bus station. When you get off, look at all these little shops they have here. And they have all kinds of things they're selling. And right now I'm heading over to the big arch here that is like the center of town. But in the meantime, you gotta walk through all these shops to get to it. Look at this. Nice, beautiful day today. Little white puffy clouds up there. This is one of the main streets in the heart of town here in Antigua. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to receive more of this informative content, please subscribe to the channel. Right in the heart of Antigua, we come upon the 16th century church right here. Look at this. It's no longer working, of course. It's dilapidated by now, but it was once a beautiful church. You could tell just by the facade of it. As take a closer look right now. You can see it here. Nice. Big. So this is the church name right here. And just to give you an idea on how old this is, it goes back to 1582. So now I'm getting very close to that arch. Look at these beautiful, colorful buildings here. How they have them all lined up. And on this side as well. Now this I find interesting. They do have the regular like McDonald's and Burger King, but they look at the way they kind of just make it blend right in with the building, just with the neat sign there. They don't have the big gaudy big burger in the front or anything, and it's in these nice little buildings. Look at that, just blends right in. Right across the street from that Burger King is a Taco Bell. Look, just make it fit right in, make it look like it belongs. Nothing outstanding with a great big Taco Bell logo, and this is what it looks like. And so I really like what they've done here. And then you walk in, you would never know actually you were in a Taco Bell unless, you know, you look at the menu or see the posters on the wall. But for the most part, they keep it all like originally flesh looking right in. See, look at that. Really pretty. And here's a Dunkin' Donuts. Look, same type of sign that just fits right in. And then this is what it looks like once you get inside. See? Look at that. Incredible. Here's the McDonald's. Look, You would never guess it. You don't see the big arches. They just have the name out front. But then when you walk in, you can clearly see it is a McDonald's. But look at how cool it looks in here with the old original type of building, the format. And then they even have a patio out here. So I like what they really did as far as making these people conform to the local way of life. Wow, they really went all out on this McDonald's. Look at this. Showing, oh, now they got the big arches over here. Once you're in, then you can see all the characters and big fountain, Ronald McDonald, the big arches over there. So quite interesting the way they did what they did with this McDonald's. And now I finally found the arch. It's at the end of the street. Check it out. You can see it off over there in the distance, and that's where I'm headed to right now. And this is their Subway right here. Subway sandwiches blending right in. Oh, and there's Starbucks. Starbucks coming up. Right there, they get the bright orange color Starbucks. See, they managed to sneak in their little logo in there. And across from Starbucks, there's a local man hustling his nuts right here on this corner. Look at that. Oh. Look at this. Whoa, this is what I come for, Antigua. And some more, whole bunch of souvenir shops. A lot of tourist souvenir shops here, things to buy as I get closer to the big arch over here, the center of attraction. A local artist. Right here, look at this. There's the big arch right here. The pride of the city, the big arch, otherwise known as Arco Largo in the city. Look at that great big volcano right there. Look at that. It takes about 6 hours to hike up that mountain to that volcano. So just down the ways from the big arch is this church right here. Check this out. Let's go take a closer look at what this church is looking like. Maybe we can even get inside. So, as with all the other places around Antigua and Guatemala, there's always vendors around selling things, fresh fruit or nuts or whatever it is you want to eat. And here's the church right in front of the church. Let's see what these people are making over here. It looks like some juice and some type of some food, tortillas. Good, nice. Big breads. And then jewelry over here on this side. Look at this church. It's right here, just in front of it. This is a quick look around the area of where the church is at. And this is what you see as you approach it with a big cross in the front. Look at that. Big cross. And look how that church just, it really works. It's only yellow and white that they used, but somehow the color scheme really pops and makes it look really well. Really neat. This is really neat. Look at this church. And this is the time to be here. They were getting all ready for Holy Week, and it is open. Can you believe that? Let's go see what it's like inside. It's exactly what I wanted to see, why I hopped on a bus and came 2 hours to this small town of Antigua from Guatemala City. Let's go check this out. Really nice. Look at this. All right. And this is it. Check this out. Wow. Look how those colors just pop right there off the white paint with those banners hanging down. Let's get a closer view of the altar. Up into the dome. nice pipe organ right here. Very nice. And really big statues here in the church, along with these. This is pretty neat. Look at the ice cream man here. He's got his own little ice cream truck right there, selling ice cream. Looking right up underneath the arch right here. Look at that. Pretty neat. Under the arches. This is kind of neat here. Let's get an outside view of this area. Check out these columns. Look at this. Kind of neat, like something you'd see in Rome, colonial, with a big Guatemala flag up there waving. And this is the center right here. Look at this. Great big fountain. And here's another church. Let me go check out this church. See what the interesting thing is over here. Nice. Let's go see what this church looks like inside. Really pretty tree right there, those flowers. This is interesting. Have a tomb in here with Jesus in it. So this is more than living up to the building. There's the big volcano right there. And then here's the outside of the church I just stepped out of. There's the side entrance, or the side exit. And let's look over here. Off limits, but oh, this is the dilapidated part of the church. So this was the one that I saw when I drove into town. And around this center here is where again, people are selling a lot of souvenirs, things with Guatemala, traditional items. See? And here's the classic arch of the center of town. All this arches, look at this. Pretty nice the way they did this, lining it up. These motorbikes lined up here. When the sun starts to go down, the town is still jumping with its markets. Look at this, still. The sun is just about ready to set here in Antigua, and the markets are still filled up with people. Like it's starting out the day. Look at that. Fried banana she's making. Look at, very nice, pretty. Say hello. Nice, very good. What I like about this place in Antigua is the women wear the same attire that they would have worn years ago. Their custom attire. See, like this lady in the front here. So they are not shy to wear their colors that they've worn for years. They keep the style going. Really adds to the flavor of this town. See, here, get another one. ¿Qué es este? ¿Tamales?
Sí.
Look at this. Freshly cooked something. Looks like chicken. Fried chicken. And look at that. Nice.
These look like churros.
It does. Okay, I'm in a little restaurant in Antigua, Guatemala. I got this nice taco plate here that I'm gonna sample on, eat these tacos for lunch. This is my first taco meal in Antigua. Let's see how this goes. If you would like to see my other videos from Central America and Guatemala, please please click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.